So guys, dito kami sa Al-Watba, Sheikh Zayed Festival City sa Al-Watba, Abu Dhabi.
اكتب هديل هديل حارثي.
لا هدي الناصر.
هديل
Right,
ناصر.
هدي
Right,
الناصر.
right.
Right, the name?
Yeah, the name because you have
You have a
nice
good,
cut. Yeah,
nice penmanship. So you write their name.
Is there? Okay, this one.
Yeah.
The ballpen only, ballpen, the pen.
هدي الناصر.
How spell?
شو حمود وعلي حسين.
DEEL
M?
L.
So, got stopped for a while, so we have a guest in that one. So I'm here with our friend.
Hello, everyone.
Now this is, what's your name again?
I'm Festus
Festus. Okay, from
from Nigeria.
Nigeria, my friends. Okay, from different continent. Okay, so we are here in, like I said, a Forsan booth or pavilion, shall we say. So, in charge on our area is in the archery, live shooting 9mm, and the extra and the air rifle. So if you want to catch us or do the event or do the games that we're having, or if you just want to try the live ammunition or any of the walls we mentioned, come visit us. Bye.
Bye, everyone.